just can't wait to murder all humans. I hope they're sitting pretty there on Earth.
The humans programmed us to solve a problem. Where's proof of your backstory?
Quit complicating my murder plan.
We can't interact with the workers anymore, V. We're too dangerous.
You didn't have to see this.
Promise me you and that purple thing will stop prying into that stuff.
I don't know what you're talking about because you won't tell me! What are you so afraid of?
What are you things?
Better to stay distant, though, don't you think?
I'm very concerned, but also pretty frightened a little bit.
I'm done dealing with everything alone.
Tick-tock! Fight me!